Hi friends, we'll study the mean, mode and median today. Means what is the meaning of that? We'll study this with examples so that we can understand it better. Now mean means average. You add up all the numbers given in the sequence and divide it by the number of numbers. Mode means, we'll go for median first. Median is the middle value in the list of the numbers. To find the median, your numbers have to be listed in numerical order. Numerical order means if the numbers are given like say 2, 3, 1, 5, so you arrange them from in ascending order first, all the numbers, and then you find out the middle one. The mode means that number which occurs most. Suppose in a sequence given the two number appears many times, so that is the mode. There can be multiple modes in a sequence. Suppose if 2 and 5 occur 4 times in a sequence, it means there are 2 modes to this. Now we'll take one example. We'll be taking in all 3 examples as such. This is the first one. Find the mean, median, mode and range in the following values. 13, 18, all these numbers are given. So the mean is total of all these and divide by total numbers. So the total numbers are 9. So the mean comes out to be 15. That's easy. Median. Now first you arrange all these numbers in ascending order. 13, 13, 13, 13 and then remaining ones. Now find out the middle number. Total there are 9. So fifth number will be the middle number. How to take this? 9 plus 1 upon 2. So fifth number. 14 is the median. Now mode. Which occurs the most times? 13. So median and mode is 13. What is the range? Kindly watch the videos further on the paid version of the Yuvaguru app. You can download this Yuvaguru app from Play Store and register on it. The paid version hardly costs you anything as compared to the results which you get. Also other samples of the videos are available on the free version in the same app. This app contains question banks, notes, online tests, video lectures plus news. See, these are the topics and these are the videos. For CIB, capital budget and correlation, future present values, linear programming, sampling distribution, balance of trade, Altman score, buyers credit, suppliers credit, call and put options, ECGC, factoring, LC transactions, balance sheets, P&L, bond calculations, estimation, GDP, GNP deflator, ISLM curves, union budget, Keynes theory, ratio analysis, import export, pre and post shipment, tier 1 and tier 2 capital, CRAR, Basel II horizontal and vertical disallowances, value at risk, retail capital gains, encumbrance and for JIB it's accounting basics, balance sheets, P&L, bank records, bond calculations, capital revenue expenditure, NPV IRR, depreciation, trial balance, forex, present future value, ratio analysis, and all are these all are the videos, number of videos. Share capital, treasury, PPB, all topics are available in PPT. Also we are preparing for legal all topics. Plus the videos go on increasing day by day. Also get the soft copies of these question banks with explanations directly on your email. These are along with the case studies. Now if you don't have Android app, then you can follow this option. Also you can call us on this number, WhatsApp number given. For any queries you can message us on this number. You can follow us on this link on Facebook so that we can answer you quickly. The paid versions available are very easy to understand and very useful. So keep studying, keep watching.